So you sure I'm ready for this? Oh, darling, trust me about it. It's amazing. You'll be fine. Okay, let's just start the video now. Hey guys, it's Rainbow Dad. Humanity.
I'm fine. How you guys doing? We got some newbies today.
Yup. Well, that was weird. He's just being a wild Claudine. Alright, let's get to the newbies.
And first, look at me.
Okay. Fluttershy?
Nah, that was super Fluttershy.
Anyway, so which princess is this here? She's gonna miss the whole entire thing. Or am I? Dun, dun, dun. I would never miss a single video. Okay, we're getting really carried away with this. Let's just start with the newbies now, okay? Anyway, so guess who the first newbie is? Hang on, I need to... It's the new and improved. Come on. Don't be shy. Hey, I don't want to be a hogger. Wait, what? Is that who I think it is? With rainbow hair and... shoes? Yes, now let me continue. Wearing shoes. The new and improved. Fully articulated. One. Is this really necessary? I guess. I mean, seriously. Who doesn't love a new me? Dude, I have a separate mind. I'm the opposite of you. I'm not a narcissist. Well, at least I have shoes. I mean, seriously.
Guys, break it up. Jeez. What's wrong with you?
I mean, I know she's a narcissist. Hey! But seriously, break up the fight already.
Let's just get on with the new... Ow. Thank you. Let's just get on with the movies. Anyway. Stop it already.
Anyway.
Next movie.
You want Ash? Yep.
I'm talking about the movie.
I heard that. Anyway, so what's up?
I need you to please bring the anvil.
On it. Seconds later. Got the anvil. Where do you want me to put it? Hey.
Just put it right over there by that mug.
On it. It's hard having poor hosts sometimes. Already put there. It can be pretty hard sometimes. Alright, so the anvil there. Ooh, let's see who comes out. It's a bit dark. Dark, light, dark, light. Okay, let's get to the point. Alrighty.
That movie looks great.
Mr. Who is it again? Thank you. So, Mr. Smith, could you please make a nail clipper? Like that one, maybe? Okay, it's gonna just go out of here. Please make a nail clipper. The one that doesn't do there. Okay, why is the camera tilted to my feet? Yeah, I kind of have the Thanksgiving parade on. Look at that. Beauteous, even though it's too bright. Okay, let's get to the villager. Let's spell it. Oh, fine. Now where's my anvil? Ah. The wild anvil. Let me bounce it. Ow. Haha. The mug.
Yeah, but they wanted
The mug. Don't worry about it, still my anvil. Let's do this. Brown. Well, there's Charlie Brown.
Oh, I couldn't stand that movie. They did it look
Clank. There we go. Thanks. I need to clip my nails. I need to clip my nails anyway. Thanks, Smith. No problem. So now we have two newbies, Remanesh, hey, and Smith. Oh. And maybe one of those.
See ya.